Welcome back to Bavarian Motorworks. Another video I've got for you here today. I've not posted for a while. There's going to be a few more videos coming up of Trouble. That's his nickname, Trouble, because it's always giving me trouble. But today's video is going to be on this. Look at this. Scuttle drains. Look at that water. Wonder if I can fit my that is not good. It was higher than that yesterday. Luckily the box is on, so it's not got to the ECU, but still, as you can see there, eventually it's going to get through to the wiring, so we've got to fix that as a matter of urgency. And the way you do that, from what I've read, is the wheel has to come off, so the car is jacked up, and what we'll have to do is take the wheel off and take the liner away, and I think if you see that dark patch, I think the drain is there. So well, let's crack on with that and unblock this poor drain before any other damage occurs. This side's already done. I actually removed the rubber, that rubber like grommet thing. I think it's just unnecessary. I've not had a problem with that since, so let's crack on with that. Okay, once you've got your wheel off, you need to get your liner off. Now if I pull this back, you'll see a bit of water already dripping down, as you can see there. So this is an 8mm. So once we get that off, I think I can just pull it away, unless there's a couple of bolts under here. I'm not sure. I don't think there is, you know, and it looks quite loose. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this 8mm off and then pull it away, and I should get to it. Okay, I've got the 8mm off. Now I'm hoping if I just bend this away, I'm going to need two hands to do this, so I'll be right back. And there it is. It is. Hopefully you can see it. It's right there. Well, there is something there. I'm sure it's that. Yeah. So let me get a light. Hang on. Now hopefully you can see that. You can see it's dripping down. So some kind of stupid bong there. I'm just fucking idiotic, honestly. So I'm going to let it drain out. I don't think it's part of this bung, is it? I don't think it is. Right, I think I'm going to try and pry that out. Look at the water, it's unbelievable. It's wonder if there's another one back here. I think. No, I think that's the only one. Right, I'm going to try and pry this out. I'll be right back. Now I've got a screwdriver on it. If I look at that, that's unbelievable. And there it is. Look at the state of that. And I don't think, personally, it's going to do it any harm if I just leave this off. There's another one there as well. What I'll do now from the top, I'm going to flush it through, just make sure it does now drain. So I'll put a bit of water down there, see what happens. Okay, let me just put some water down the side, see if it does drain. Right, that's better. That's much better. Just want to check this bung. Stupid idea, honestly. I mean, as you all may know, I've got an X-Type as well. I've got a channel on there that I did the same for, and I just left the bung out. I never had a problem since, so that was clear now. Right, oh, got a bit of brake cleaner. All done. Now we need to tidy the top. Okay, now it's been flushed through, but I'm kind of curious to see if any water has penetrated the ECU, hopefully not. So let's drop the screw in there now. We'll have to fish that out. Okay, let's have a look. It's not like it looks pretty dry it is. No, it looks alright. Looks like we got away with that one. There's a few more things there that I like to fish out. There's some plastic bit down there I want to fish out. So basically I'm just going to go around and clean it all up. Okay, it's all unblocked, so this shouldn't happen again. Luckily nothing's got wet in the ECU compartment, so the lid has done a good job of giving it a bit of a clean. So I'm just going to put it back on and just give all this area around here a bit of a hoover. And anyway, thanks for watching. I'm going to end the video here, and I'll see you again on the next episode, or the next problem I have with this E60 525D, aka trouble.